and you're here in the office of the Always Believe House. And today we're going to start Star Review 5. Please pay attention. These are graded every single week. I've gotten 2 emails this week. How can I raise my grade and you haven't turned in 1 star review? Do these every single week. Once you start doing them, the problems repeat. You will get better. If you don't do them, you'll never get better. These will be graded every single week. Make sure you're doing your work. Okay, let's get started on this. We're going to graph the first 3 lines. And we are recording, okay? So we're going to go through and do the first three lines here. We're going to do 2 more problems. Please be able to graph these lines. This is huge, okay? So number 1, we're going to graph y equals 5. The y-axis goes up and down, but a y-equal line is flat and it has a 0 slope. We're going to get into this later this week. So a y equal 5 line is going to do this. That's going to be my line 1. Number 2, y'all should start being able to do this. Y'all should not be having to watch this video right now. Number 2, the x-axis is flat, but an x-equal line will go up and down, and our line will go through 4. So we're going to have a line that goes straight up and down through 4. That's my number 2 line. And that slope is undefined. Okay, on the next one, we have y equal negative 1/2 x plus 3. The slope is negative 1/2, which means down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. And my y-intercept's 3. So we're going to cross the y-axis at 3. That's like our starting number. Then down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. I have all my dots done. From left to right, I'm always going down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Connect the dots. Okay, so we have that. Now then, I'm going to go down here. What you want to do next is bullet where these lines cross. That's going to form your triangle. This will be our base. This will be our height. And remember, your Pythagorean theorem is going to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This edge will be a. This edge will be b, and this edge will be c, right? You can put the a or b anywhere, but you're going to do that, round it to the 10th. Let's go down to number 9. On number 9, you're going to distribute this negative. I'm doing this because y'all are missing this a lot, so I'm going to go over it one more time. This will probably be the last time I do this. Drop the 4x squared plus 3x minus 7, and then you're going to do sign, number, letter. A negative times a positive is a negative. The number 6, the letter x, the exponent 2. Sign, number, letter. A negative times a negative is a positive. My number is 8. My letter is x. Sign, number, letter. A negative times a positive is a negative, and it's just 11, right? So you're just doing sign, number, letter with 6th grade integer math. This is 6th grade integer math. Then you're going to single underline the x squares, double underline the x's, and triple underline the numbers or constants. Now then, let's just group them. 4 minus 6. The 6, you got more 6's than you do 4's. Drop the negative, and you won't add, you'll subtract. 4 away from 6 is 2. My letter is x. My exponent's 2. And then I'm going to go to the next set. Which one do you have more of? 8's or 3's? You got more 8's. Drop that plus. Notice I'm writing the sign first. Then you're going to add them up and get 11, and your letter is x. Go to the next set. What do you have more of? 11's or 7's? You have more 11's. Since you have more 11's, you drop the negative. Well, you add or subtract them. They're both negative, so you group them up, and you would have 18 negatives. This would be your answer. Negative 2x squared plus 11x minus 18. So you're just adding and subtracting 6th grade integer work. You're just adding letters and exponents. Let's go to number 10. First time y'all have bluebell trucked a fraction. Yeah, having a bluebell truck fraction, it gives you more power. So let's bluebell truck this negative 3/4 x. And we're going to do sign, number, letter, right? We're going to do that twice. So a negative times a positive is a negative. Then we got to do 12 times 3/4. You did this in 5th grade. 12 times 3/4 is 12 times 3 divided by 4. 12 times 3 divided 12 times 3 is 36. Divided by 4 is 9. My letter is x, and x times x is x squared. I just did sign, number, letter, exponent there. That's all this is. Let's go to the next step. A negative times a negative is a positive. Then you're going to do 20 times 3/4. You did it in 5th grade. 20 times 3/4. 20 times 3 divided by 4. 20 times 3 divided by 4 is 60 divided by 4, which is 15. My letter is X, and that is my answer. Okay, now then on number 11, if you are virtual and you do not have a calculator, an announcement was sent out about how to download that Inspire calculator software to your school laptop. It is free. There are instructions on that. If you don't have a school laptop, you need to download an Inspire calculator to do this work. If you do not have one, it is going to be tough. When I go over this, we're going to be using the Inspire calculator. Okay, so on number 2, I'm not going to do this problem because you've done it 4 times. Basically, you're going to graph this in your Inspire calculator. Once you have it graphed, you're going to hit Control-T. And then you can get your range, right? I think 2 of those are going to be zeros. The axis is going to cross twice. Okay? Oh, what a wonderful day. Okay. Remember, you're going to get through this. Make sure you're doing these star reviews. Turn in whatever you got done. Message me if you're having trouble. The keys for star review 1, 2, and 3 are in the star review module. Remember, you are amazing. You were created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.